This demo shows how to use the Radiens Python package to interface with a LEGO during a live experiment. Right now we have 32 simulated channels on port A, with both streaming and recording turned off. To start, I'll open a Python shell with the Radiens package installed, and from there I'll import a LEGO client and create an instance of it. Once connected, we can enable streaming, and you'll see the change reflected in the LEGO app. The same goes for spike sorting. Next, we'll look at how to access live spikes. You can do this by calling the spikes client and then get recent spikes. Here are some examples of some methods and properties you can call in the spikes object. For example, time range, spike labels, and some other channel metadata. The rest of the methods can be found on the official documentation, which can be located on the Python package index. Finally, I'll walk through a simple closed loop example. I sped up the writing of the for loop a little, so that's why you see the monitor speed up. I loop 10 times, and each loop I get the recent spikes and print their time range. Then I sleep for a second to build up the cache again. In practice, you could insert your own computation or control logic in this loop for real-time feedback. I hope this short demo has given you a good sense of how the Radiens package can be extremely helpful with closed-loop experiment design.